Looking for peak performance and show-stopping looks? US Radiator delivers the cooling you need, and Concept One provides the ultimate pulley system. Level up your ride. And hey, for more awesome builds and insights, hit that subscribe button for ScottieDTV. Steve?
Scotty?
How are you, brother?
I'm blessed.
I am too. Glad to be here. Man, I've been waiting for this one to get done.
Me too.
Yeah. For different reasons.
And the owner.
Yeah. All three of us have different reasons, I'm sure. But me and the owner's probably pretty close. Now, this one's been here, not forever. I'm not trying to say that.
No.
But it's been in the main shop
for
the last couple of months. And every time I come in, I'm like, man, I can't wait to see this Charger. I can't wait to see this Charger. It turned out, brother.
Well, every once in a while you get one of them cars you're just not really excited to get started on just because it's a mess.
Right.
This one was a mess. All of the dash and everything. This car everything was thrown in boxes. I had to figure everything out. So it was one of them. It's like, oh Lordy, where in the world do you start? You know, one of those kind of things. So, but no, it turned out good. I just put my son Noah on it. I was like, Noah, I said, you like doing them dashes and stuff. So we pulled. Actually, another guy, Kyle here, we pulled it all apart, pulled the metal out of it, had it all painted, put it all back together, and then I told Noah, so let's start custom making everything, because the original dash just did not fit this car with the type of interior that we was looking for. It still got an original theme, but it's all custom, every piece of it.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think that the seats look very Mopowerish from the date. The door panels, you've kind of modernized those, but you know, Mopar would do something loud like the big screen in the door. You know, I mean, they're 1,000 horsepower Hellcats. So they're all about, hey, look at me. You know, I like it though.
Well, if you notice the motor, it does have a late model HEMI motor in there.
Right on.
And it's got late model Dodge Charger seats in it. So.
Oh, okay.
So those are everything. It's still Dodge. It's Dodge seats and everything.
Well, that's why it looks that way then. Yeah, no. You just put your spin on. Did you cut them down or anything?
Well, no. That's about the original height and everything of the original ones. We just obviously recovered them and designed them and things like that.
Made new foam for them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, what about that console lid? You started a new trend there, I'm guessing.
Well, actually, that was my other son Noah. That was his idea of. He said, "Can I do this?" I said, "Let's see what it looks like." You know, I'm not open. I'm glad that some of the guys are having some input and some new ideas and things like that. And I said, "Let's do it." So we did it. He did it. We ordered. I said, "Send me what I need to order," and I ordered some springs and different things, and it turned out nice.
Yeah. No.
And then Garrett, he's my youngest son. He did all the sewing and everything on those. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, no, I like how it works, how smooth it is, and then how it gives a little light in the back. For the back seat when it's open. The lid's got a light up underneath it. No, very functional and cool. And it doesn't seem to be something that's going to give anybody a hard time. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to get jammed up, this and that. It looks like it operates pretty smooth.
Yeah, you just open it up and it goes back.
But now it's going to be LED lights and one of them cool lids. I got to have one of them cool lids.
Yeah. That's not an easy task. It took a little bit of a while to get it all done, but it looks good. If you notice that when you shut the lid, the light goes off automatically. When you open it up, it comes on automatically.
Right.
So you don't have to have no extra switch for that. So even when the LEDs are off, when you open up that, you've got accent lighting in the glove box.
Every time.
Every time. Yep.
Oh, that's very cool. I like the car, and I think what you did for the interior fits it perfect.
Of course, put a leather headliner in it, and then on the deck lid, we matched the deck lid. It had like 4 little spots that matched what we did for the speaker grills and stuff. So we just incorporated that in there, and Rick loved it. The car belongs to Rick Means out of Florida.
Okay.
And he just told us to do what we want on it, and he didn't really know what it was going to look like, but he loves it.
Smart man. I tell people, drop the car off, tell Steve to do what he does, and come back and pick it up when it's done. Be happy about it.
Yeah.
Pay the bill. Who did the work?
Well, Rick said that Tim Douglas, Cobra Body Shop in Fort Myers, did all the work on the metalwork and stuff on it. So it may go back to him to get. I'm not sure what he's going to do with it next. I don't know if it's going back up there and getting wet sanded, buffed, and finished putting, or it's going to Florida. Or not sure where it's going at this moment. What's crazy about that car? He said he bought it from a lady in 1976, a lady from church, for $600.
Holy cow!
Yeah.
I wonder if it was running and driving.
Well, he said he hadn't driven it since '83, so it had to be driving from '76 to '83.
Wow.
And then parked out after that. Now he's been working on it for quite a while, and had some ups and downs with different shops, but you know that's the same old story with a lot of people.
Sure.
But he finally, you know, has got to a point now that he can just finish doing the final. The hood's not shut because he's got the hood hinge or latch in his truck.
Okay.
So he's going to put all that together when he gets it back, do a final wet sand and buffing on it, and a few little odd and end things. But he's about ready to go.
Man, I can't wait to see it out at some shows.
Mm-hmm.
No.
But it's a good looking car.
No, I think you killed another one, Steve.
Scotty, again, I appreciate it as always.
No, thank you, brother.
So there you go from Steve Holcomb, Pro Auto Custom Interiors, our very cool 1968 Dodge Charger. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.